Hi, this video is the art of hair transplant restoration surgery result. The 1 year post-op with before and after photo on Warren. We did a surgery a year ago and he had a receding hairline in corner. And I just want to show the side view, the front view and all the stuff. All the view to see how natural the hairline is. And we built the temple as for him. You can see his hairline was risen up like this, and the temple went all the way forward, backward. So if you can look forward for me, there we go. Look toward the camera, and there we go, perfect. And that's where Warren, and perfect. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in real closely. You can see there's no scarring, excellent density. Now I'm going to show the audience what he looked like before. Here's this receding hairline. Put it higher up, and so a year later, we brought his hairline down and we brought in the temple as well. Again, we brought in at least 1 inch to 2 inches down. And look at that, before, after. Right hand side, you see how it's almost 1 inch and a half to 2 inch. And we brought the temple in as well. And that's where it is, right hand side, left hand side, left hand side, top view, okay. And that's where Warren is right now, and I'm gonna comb his hair through so the audience can see. Okay, so if you look at it, let's see, comb this one and comb it down. Look at that, excellent density. There's nice blonde hair with some gray. Maybe we can turn this way for me, there we go. See, we brought in his temple up here, the temple triangle we built in for him. And look at the density. It's excellent density, excellent coverage. The hair temple is flat against the skin and pointed down and backward. Mostly root no hair. And if you can look toward the camera again, and my musician right here. All right, thank you.